Hi guys, this is Nidhi Dedia. I am AIR 9 in CS Professional Examinations June 21 attempt, and I was a student of ACE tutorial for all the three modules and all the three levels, that is since foundation, executive and professional. My experience with ACE has been very great. Like the faculty members are very much supportive, the staff is even great, and Naresh sir and Jinesh sir, they have a very good experience, so it's just beneficial and they guide you very great. So yeah, my experience was very great with ACE for all the three levels, I would say. And lastly, I would like to add that chase your dreams, sky is the limit, revise as much as you can, because revision and professional examinations are very important. So plan your studies. Basically, planning and making a strategy is very much important. It has helped me in clearing my exams as well. So plan your studies accordingly. Plan your studies according to the time you have in hand right now. You can definitely clear your examinations. So I would say all the best for your examinations, upcoming examinations, whoever are attempting the upcoming attempt, and best wishes. Thank you.